In this video, you'll learn how to create realistic, stunning video mockups that will lead to higher click-through rates on your print-on-demand stores, make you look more professional, and lead to an increase in sales. So the site we're going to be using for this is called Placeit. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. They do have some free mockups, which is definitely really handy. Not too many free video mockups, unfortunately, but if you want to search up here at the top for free t-shirt mockup, for example, then you will get a decent amount of results. Some of these look really nice considering they're free, so definitely worth looking into. When we type in free video mockups, I don't know how many come up, but I think it isn't very many. 5 results, so some is better than none. It is really hard to find high quality video mockups that are free, so it's definitely good that Placeit offers a few of them for different ages and different sort of scenarios right here. But if we take the free out of it, then they've actually got a massive range of over 2,000 results for video mockups. Some of these might look familiar to you if you watched my recent videos, especially the one with the textured fonts. I used Placeit for a lot of my mockups from that video, and there was quite a lot of video mockups in that one, and they do look really realistic. Now, a few tips if you're browsing these. You first of all have a filter on the left hand side. You can change it from popular to best selling or newest, or you can change the category of product. So whether you're selling coffee mugs, sweatshirts, whether you want some mockups for hoodies, hats, you know, you've got all of these different categories here to filter through. You can also filter it by age, by gender, by ethnicity, lots of different things to find very specific mockups. So that's definitely really handy. You can also type in at the top, let's say we want a Halloween themed mockup. That is available as well as a video, which is really cool. So there's a variety of different ones right here. We've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, mugs, etc. So if you want to prepare your store specifically with Halloween designs, this is definitely going to be handy. As an example, you could also type in Christmas, other occasions. You can also search for mug at the top, instead of using the filters. If you don't want to browse or find the exact right filter at the left side, you could just type something in at the top very quickly and find related video mockups that way very quickly. So one more quick tip before I show you how to actually apply designs to these. You can also favorite them with these heart symbols right here in the top right corner. So if you find some that you really like, they will be saved over here. If we click on My Placeit, they will show up in your favorite section down here. So let's actually go ahead and create this video mockup right here with this woman. The first thing you need to do is click Insert Image. This is where we upload our design, and you'll want to choose Upload from your device. And then you'll need to adjust the design placement. I usually like to move this up to the top a bit further and then hit Crop. Next up, you can change the shirt color, because in this case, my design is optimized for dark t-shirts. As you can see, you can not even read it. So you'll have to change the product color in a sense. You've got some preset ones down here, or you can also choose a custom color if you so wish. As you can see, that looks a lot better and the placement looks good as well. So let's go ahead and go to the bottom left corner and click on Play All Slides. That is essentially going to pre-render the video so we can get a quick preview, and this can take a few minutes, and sometimes it's really quick and just takes 10 seconds. It just depends on how many people are currently using Placeit to render their mockups. And there we go, that's already done. Really quick, and it looks amazing. Really nice video mockup, looks realistic as well. If you download it with this button, then it's actually going to place it into a queue, because that was just a draft preview and low quality, and this queue usually takes a bit longer, but once it's done, you will even get an email notification. If those annoy you, by the way, you can turn them off, and you can just come back at a later time and view your queue right here where this will be ready to download. Definitely a really cool feature, and this is sure to stand out in Etsy search results, because when you hover over a listing that has a video mockup enabled, then it automatically starts playing that video, which is definitely a big advantage over your competitors. As you can see, it's now done, and we can click here to download. This file is only 16 megabytes, which is not bad for a video, and if we open this up in full size, it is really high quality and looks amazing. If you want to learn how to create 1,000 mockups in just 5 minutes, make sure to check out this video next, where I show you the fastest mockup creation tool out there.
you.